Hello, welcome in. We are solving GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 49 is: a pitted tube connected to a U-tube mercury manometer measures the speed of air flowing in the wind tunnel as shown in the figure below. The density of air is 1.23 kg per meter cube, while the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. For the manometer reading of H is equal to 30 mm of mercury, the speed of air in the wind tunnel is dash meter per second, rounded up to 1 decimal cube. Assume specific gravity of mercury 13.6, acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second. So this is your wind tunnel, and here one end is connected to the surface. So this part will measure stagnation pressure, and this other end is connected to in between. So this is part will measure your static pressure. So difference will be a difference of stagnation pressure minus static pressure, that is measured by this H. So we can say that P naught minus P is equal to rho mgh, because this is the head of mercury. This is mercury, so we'll take the density of mercury. So uh, the pressure difference is rho m g h. Rho m is density of mercury, h is this head it is given as 30 mm or 30 by 1000, and rho m is 13.6 into 1000. Okay, so P naught minus P is your 408 g. Okay, so now this is pressure difference, and we know that the stagnation pressure is equal to static pressure and dynamic pressure. Static pressure is P and stagnation pressure is P naught, and dynamic pressure is half rho v square. So P naught minus P is equal to half rho v square. So it is 408 g. P naught minus P we have measured as 408 g, because this pressure P naught pressure is of air, and P is also of air. So density will also will take of air. Here we have used density of mercury because we are using the fluid mercury to measure the pressure difference. Once we have measured the pressure difference, so we can apply the total pressure as static pressure plus dynamic pressure. And dynamic pressure is half rho v square. Rho is density of air. That is the pressure due to force, and that is the pressure due to velocity. So that is total pressure. So P naught minus P is 408 g, and equal to half rho v square. Rho is density of air, that is 1.23. So we will come out as 81.45 meter per second. Here we have taken G as 10 because it is given that they take G as 10. So answer is 81.45 meter per second.